How to fix suspended account on Instagram and how you can get full access back into your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can fix if Instagram says that they have suspended your account on some kind of date. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in my case, as you can see, when I tried to log into my Instagram account, it basically gave me this information which says that we suspended the account on the 9th of August 2022. And why this generally happens is because you can also read there it says that your account or activity on it doesn't follow our community guidelines. So you could have used some third-party plugins or apps for the Instagram app and you didn't follow some of the rules and regulations within the Instagram community guidelines, and that could be the primary reason why Instagram decided to suspend your account. And in this video I will show you how you can gain full access back to it. So as you can see, whenever you log in, you'll basically see this kind of interface. What you have to do is, in order to fix it, the process is really simple. We have to simply follow the on-screen instructions. So at the bottom of the screen you can see it says, if you think that we've made a mistake, you'll have 30 days after we suspended your account to disagree with the decision, or your account will be permanently disabled. There are 30 days remaining. So go ahead, and what you have to do is simply tap on this blue button which says disagree with decision. As you can see over here, I will simply tap on it for in this case. Once you do that, you can see it says help us confirm that it's you, and you will see this verify the I'm not a robot captcha. Go ahead and simply verify this captcha over here. It will basically give you some kind of test in order to verify that you're not a robot and not a bot crawling through the Instagram app. So as you can see, we have successfully verified. Now again, I will tap on the next button which is at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do that, you can see it says us to verify with our mobile number. So what you want to do is, first of all, simply select the country or the code on which you belong to. So in my case it is +977. So I'm going to go ahead and simply enter your country code. If you don't find a code, you could also go ahead and search for your country name, and then the code will be inputted automatically. After that, I will go ahead and enter my phone number as well. Once you enter your phone number, again what you can do is simply tap on the send code button. So as you can see, it will send an OTP code to this particular number. You have to make sure you have access to it, and as you can see, we have successfully received the OTP code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this code, and once I copy it, I'm going to go ahead and paste them on this particular box which you see. Once you paste the code, tap on the next button again. And as you can see, we have successfully gained access back into our Instagram account. As you can see, now I can go ahead and chat with anyone. I could also go ahead and simply log in and upload and do whatever I want on the Instagram app. Keep in mind that you could still have some limitations because of the suspension which you recently received, but that is not an issue at all. Maybe within a day or two, your issue is going to be permanently fixed. And this is how you can fix if Instagram says that they have suspended your account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.